If you going down.
Stop singing. Why? Because it's loud and we're going on a camping trip and I'm trying to relax and stuff. You're right behind me, even though you're actually not, because I don't know how to attach it.
Alright, okay, that's fine. I don't want to care now.
Oh, I'm going to go to sleep. Wow. Ugh.
Oh.
Alright, well, whatever. We're almost there anyways, so you might as well, get ready to go into the forest. We're going camping, alright? We're camping out in the forest. Oh, we're here.
Oh, wait, we are?
Don't know why there's grass in here.
Yeah, we are. Anyway, everybody get out of the car. It's time to go.
Hey, call Billy. What? Call Tilly. Can you help me set up some of the stuff that's already set up? I'm just saying that, so whatever. Can you help set it up? I don't wanna make me upset. Can you please? Please. Please. Okay, fine. I'll do it. I don't like this place. We're in the middle of nowhere, and there's no such thing as iPods out here. There's no such thing as iPads, Android computers. There's no Windows stuff. Well, we're surviving out here for like at least 3 days. Sounds dumb. I know it is. And I knew that you were gonna get upset, so I actually brought the internet. Yeah. Yeah, only for a day. Shut up. Anyways, what's the stuff that we got? Well, we got sleepy tent stuff. We got chairs. We got tables. We got the grill. We got a car. We got a whole entire van behind. And we even have us. Okay, fine. Hey, Billy. What? Is that what I think it is over there? I think I see a giant, pond. Do you want to go fishing there? I know you love fishing. Yes, that sounds absolutely amazing. That is a humongous pond. Alright, so what you do is that you take your fishing rod and go boom. And then just wait. Wait. 5 minutes later. And you wait. Didn't get anything. Then you wait. Then you wait. Then you wait. 5 years later. 5 years later. And then you wait. And then you wait. 25 million years later. And then you wait. And then, bam! You got your fish. Alright, let me try. Did it? No, you're supposed to catch the fish. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm doing it myself. Look, I'm throwing it dozens of times now. You see, I'm a pro. I got it immediately. Also, don't mind that thing right there. I got it immediately. Strange. Anyway, I'm tired of going fishing. It's about to have a storm. And there's also we're gonna have to go to sleep. Alright, I'm tired anyway. Goodbye, or good night, or bye. Well, I guess the store is here, Billy, so are you ready to go to sleep? Yeah, and it's night time. I'm ready. Well, get up in that cabin and go to sleep. Yeah, go to sleep. Yeah, go to sleep. Yeah. Good night, I'm going to sleep. Alright, I'm going to sleep. Ugh, what was that sound? It sounds like it was coming from the lake. I should probably go check it out. Hello? For some reason, there's like a giant piece of glass that just randomly came inside me. But, hello? Is there anybody that lives inside this humongous lake? This lake is humongous. Is there anybody that lives near the lake? Because if there is, come out. I need to see who you are. Okay, now I'm not joking. Please. Hello? Is anyone, like, stuck in the lake or something? Is there a spirit? There's a big mountain. But, anything out there? Hello? Hello? What the heck is that? What's that thing? Under the water. What the heck is that? Ah! What the heck are you? You're like a humongous seahorse or something. Come back. What are you? I need to... What the heck was that creature doing in the ocean? What the heck? I'm confused. What the heck was that? Well, I guess it's gone already, but... Hopefully I'll... Oh, wait, there it is again. Hey. Hello? Can't see it. I wonder what it is. Oh, Billy, why are you screaming? I saw something in the water. It was humongous. It was like a giant horse or something with a mermaid tail or a fish tail. Go back to sleep. Oh my god. I'm so tired. Now you're making me all wet because I had to come out. Listen, it's a very good reason. I think I might have just found the Loch Ness Monster. Okay. First it was two fairies, and now it's the Loch Ness Monster. I guess so. Oh my god, you're probably imagining things. Go back to bed. No, I'm serious. I saw like something in the water, and then it came out, and then it just left. Don't mind that over there. That's nothing right there, but that's nothing. What are you doing? IDK. Oh my gosh, what the heck is that? Behind you. IDK. Oh, that? Oh, that's the thing I saw. Wait, what? Oh my gosh. Anyway, we're probably both imagining things now. Let's go back to the van. We need to go to sleep. But like, I want to see this creature. What is it? I need to know what it is. Just that thing in the background. What is that? IDK. What's that behind you? That's a human. But what's that behind you? What? What is it? What is it? Ah! Ow, 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 my head, ow, ow. Oh my gosh, I have to get out of here. I gotta get back to the van. Oh, there's another one. Oh my gosh, I gotta run away. Ow, oh my gosh, I gotta go. Oh, I gotta get. I'm making it out of here. There's no way I'm staying here. So suddenly, it's, I don't know. Oh gosh, there's no absolute way in the world I'm ever gonna stay here. I lost my friend, and there's a giant sea monster, a Loch Ness monster. Seemed nice at first, but now it's just me. Gosh. What is that? It's in the water. Hello? 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 What's that in the water? Oh no! A scary monster! Oh gosh, it's gonna eat me! Oh my gosh! Ah! Ah! Dun dun dun. the end of a story. That is the end of a story. Plot twist, they survived. End of the story. You could see my finger. Ha ha. I could feel the screen. Next episode, I eat you. Oh. Oh, I'm still alive, apparently. Oh yeah, what's my name again? Oh, my name is Billy. Oh, my name is... My name is Billy. I remember. You know, I surely wonder something. Where did my friend go? And also, what was that thing that almost ate me in the egg? Also, apparently the rain stopped, so that's at least a good thing. How am I gonna survive? I'm also soaking wet. There's no way I'm about to survive out here. Absolutely no way. And if I do survive, then I'm completely... I don't know. What the heck? What's that in the water? Huh? What is that? I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna go get it right now. Yum nom nom nom, that tastes good. It says pick step. I wonder what that means. I'm gonna go play it. Good thing I put my jukebox with me, so else I wouldn't be able to hear this. Alright, time to listen to this. And go. Okay, enough of that monstrosity. Whatever that heck what was. I have to explore and find a way out of this place. What's in the water? Oh, it's nothing. Yeah, they look like it was gonna be another music disc. Oh. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I have to focus on some other stuff like instead of that. That was such a good music disc. Anyway, oh no. I forgot something. The car is still lost. Oh wait, I have an idea. I remember something. I actually bought a car teleporter so I could teleport my car back here. Let's see if it works. B21 beep. Okay, that worked. Okay, that worked. I'm going to leave now. Bye. I'm going to go and I ain't a fight cry. Oh, there's a big forest. Glad we were in that one. Ah, that's scary. Oh no, there's attacking my car. There's like 3 of them. Oh no, those are some of the creatures I saw on the lake. Goodbye. Pretend that I'm passing by them and I don't even see them. Bye. Alright. I guess that's the end of the story. Dun 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 dun. Shut up. It's not Jurassic Park. It's Loch Ness movie. IDK. Ah. Shut up.